Hi gang, welcome back to Ski Play Live TV. Now, if you watched some of my older videos, you know I had a subscription to a Karen box, which was for outdoorsy people. Loved that box, actually. And then the subscription ended and I didn't renew because a lot of those things in the box weren't things that I would really buy for myself. They were fun to get and I love it, but overall it wasn't something I would spend money on. And I also got a bark box, and that was for my dog. But my dog has now still treats. He hasn't eaten from all of those other boxes. Well, my mother asked me what I would want for my birthday, and this was at the end of April, and I said, you know, just give me a subscription box, because I don't want to check. For birthday, I like presents. And so she said, well, tell me some subscription boxes that you would be interested in getting. And I said, FabFitFun. That one looked appropriate to my kind of lifestyle, and I'll see what it is. And all of the ads showed these boxes filled with really cool things. And so my mom ordered me a FabFitFun subscription box. And so this was not gotten for free at all. It was paid for. And I thought I'd do this video so she could see what's in the box. You guys could see what's in the box. And I get to see what's in the box for the first time. Now, she did this at the end of April, and now it is the middle of June. It took that long, and this is the summer box. So let's take a look. This box is huge. Well, first off, it's about twice the size of a Karen box or my bark box. It is a little bit more expensive. I believe this box is about 50 bucks, but then you can get a $10 off coupon code. They're floating around everywhere, so you can get it for about $40. And we're gonna see if the items are something that I would want and if they're worth more than $40 of stuff inside the box. So it says FabFitFun on it. I love gift boxes. This reminds me of when I went to summer camp and my mom would send me a care package, or I went off to college and I would get a care package and wouldn't know what was in it, and everything was a surprise. I have a thing for these. I have these silly little wine coupons, which I live in Utah, can't use. Green Chef. Okay. First off, this is the packaging. It looks okay. It's not super pretty. And, you know, for such a big box, I would think it would be full to the max, but it's not. Okay, see. So, looking at our first thing is a face and body ice roller. So you put it in the freezer and then you roll it around your face and it's supposed to de-stress your face, I guess. It says, enjoy the benefits of cold therapy with this extremely convenient tool. Gets rid of puffy eyes, redness, tightens and rejuvenates skin. Achieve radiant, glowing skin in just minutes. I have puffy eyes right here. We'll see if it works. Grace and Stella say hi to hydration, hyaluronic acid. Because what woman doesn't need hyaluronic acid on her face? You put a few drops in and it's supposed to help smooth out your skin and even your skin tone. We have a makeup blender, beauty sponge. This one is called Makeup Drop. Surprisingly, these little guys are kind of expensive. We have a FabFitFun catalog. Show us your unboxing. That's what I'm doing. Stuff. The biggest thing in the box is this. It's a towel. It's a beach towel. I will let my daughter Sage do the honors and open that. We'll show it to you in a second. There is some Spongelet Coconut Verbena Hand Cream. See, isn't this way better than your mom just sending you a shirt? I have, this is it a brow pencil? It is a Winky Lux Unibrow. Well, I won't be drawing a unibrow on my face. It is a universal brow pencil. Cool, I need one. looking at the towel. Look that box. This is the towel. It's got this space dye on it.
Tie-dye?
Tie-dye, space dye, they called it. It's not super thin, not super thick. This will be a nice soft towel to use, for sure. When you do FabFitFun and you sign up, so you have to do a profile, as it gets closer to the shipping date, you get to go in and select a couple of the items that you want in the box, so at least you know that there's going to be something you like. This is a bag of some sort. I think this is another thing that I selected. It is a lunchbox of some sort, or like I think it's a lunchbox. Maybe it's a makeup bag. It could be my makeup bag when you're traveling in the van. Made exclusively for FabFitFun, this little cooler bag is not only cute, but very versatile. Use it on beach days, work, school, lunches, picnics, day trips, and weekend getaways. So let's open it up. So it has the insulation, and you can put your beer, you can put drinks, whatever you want to keep cool when you're at the beach. I like it. Okay, let me see. So the next thing we're gonna look at is Prep Rally, a prime and prep detangler. Shake me up. Let's see if we can get that. That was the last item in the box. I think overall I'm pretty happy with the goodies that came in it. So I would say if you've got a girl in your life, daughter, mother, girlfriend, and you can't think of anything to get them for a gift, maybe try one of these boxes. The thing is, though, that you're several months out, so you have to plan ahead. If you want them to get it around their birthday time, then you probably have to order it about 3 months before then. But yeah, that was FabFitFun. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked that, leave a comment. If you didn't, leave a comment. I'll read it, maybe. But thank you so much for tuning in.